Hey there, busy professionals. Are you tired of spending too much time in the kitchen? Today, I'm going to share some game-changing meal prep tools and recipes that will save you precious time without sacrificing taste. First up, let's talk about pre-cut veggies. These are a lifesaver. Imagine skipping the entire chopping process. Just open the bag and you're ready to go. Perfect for those of you who want to eat healthy but don't have the time to prep. Next, reusable containers. These are not just eco-friendly, they are essential for keeping your meals fresh and organized. I love using them because they make portion control a breeze. Plus, you can stack them neatly in your fridge, saving space and keeping everything easy to find. Now let's talk about pre-portioned ingredients. Meal kit services often provide ingredients that are already measured out. This means no more measuring cups or spoons and definitely no guessing. You just toss everything together and voila! Dinner is served. Another fantastic tool is the multi-chopper. This gadget can dice, slice, and julienne your veggies in seconds. It's like having your own sous chef. Just load it up, press down, and you're done. No more tears from cutting onions. And finally, the slow cooker. This is my secret weapon for effortless meals. Throw in your ingredients in the morning and by the time you get home from work, you have a delicious hot meal waiting for you. It's perfect for soups, stews, and even desserts. Now that we have our tools ready, let's get cooking. I've got 3 delicious and time-saving recipes that are perfect for busy professionals like you. First, a quick and easy chicken stir-fry. With pre-cut veggies and pre-portioned sauce, this dish comes together in just 15 minutes. Simply toss everything in a hot pan, stir and serve over rice or noodles. It's that simple. Next, a hearty beef stew. Using our slow cooker, add the pre-cut veggies, pre-portioned beef, and some broth. Let it cook on low for 8 hours while you're at work. When you come back, you'll have a rich and comforting meal ready to enjoy. Lastly, a refreshing quinoa salad. With pre-cooked quinoa, pre-cut veggies, and a simple vinaigrette, this salad is both healthy and delicious. Just mix everything together and store in your reusable containers for a quick lunch or dinner. So there you have it. With these meal prep tools and recipes, you can save time and still enjoy homemade meals. Give them a try and let me know how they work for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more time-saving tips and recipes. See you next time.